Hello everyone! Welcome back to our English learning video. Today, we will talk about hobbies and how people discuss them naturally. You will hear simple conversations about activities we enjoy every day. This lesson will help you understand real English and practice listening easily. Relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English with us today.
Hi, James. What hobbies make you happy?
Hello, Anna. I enjoy reading books daily.
Oh, really? Reading sounds calm and relaxing today.
Yes, Anna. Reading helps my mind feel peaceful.
I feel curious. What kinds of books you like?
I enjoy history books and some interesting stories.
Oh, history books sound really fascinating and fun.
They help me understand the world around better.
That's amazing. Learning feels so enjoyable this way.
Reading improves knowledge and keeps the mind active.
I feel happy painting when I am free.
Painting seems very creative and calming for everyone.
Colors make me feel proud and very expressive.
Completing artwork gives a strong sense of satisfaction.
Painting helps me forget all stress and worries.
Hobbies like this also bring mental peace daily.
Do you feel relaxed after reading books sometimes?
Yes, quiet reading slows thoughts and eases tension.
That sounds peaceful and makes me feel calm.
Sitting quietly with a book helps me focus.
I feel playful listening music while cooking food.
Music always makes me feel more energized inside.
Singing sometimes makes me feel proud and joyful.
Practicing skills also brings confidence and happiness naturally.
I feel curious to try new hobbies soon.
Photography brings excitement and helps me notice details.
Taking photos seems very creative and inspiring indeed.
Capturing nature teaches patience and careful observation skills.
Walking outside makes me feel calm and refreshed.
Fresh air clears my thoughts and lifts mood.
Listening to birds while painting is very relaxing.
Observing nature always helps me feel refreshed inside.
I feel joyful when my painting looks finished.
Completing a piece gives a quiet sense of pride today.
I feel curious reading stories makes me feel curious and focused.
Books provide new ideas and stimulate imagination constantly.
I feel happy music lifts my mood when I feel tired.
Listening to melodies help me regain energy naturally.
I'm excited talking about hobbies with friends makes me excited.
Sharing experiences encourages me to try new things.
Do you enjoy trying new hobbies sometimes, James?
Yes, new hobbies always bring excitement and fresh ideas.
Oh, really? What new hobbies have you tried recently?
Recently, I started taking photos of nature scenes.
That sounds incredible. Photography seems very creative indeed.
Capturing small details teaches patience and careful observation skills.
I feel eager to try photography very soon.
Starting with simple shots makes learning enjoyable too.
Oh, good. Simple steps always feel encouraging.
Completing small projects builds confidence and creative energy.
Walking outside makes me feel calm and refreshed.
Fresh air clears my thoughts and lifts mood.
Listening to birds while painting is very relaxing.
Observing nature always helps me feel refreshed inside.
I feel joyful when my painting looks finished.
Completing a piece gives a quiet sense of pride today.
I feel curious reading stories makes me feel curious and focused.
Books provide new ideas and stimulate imagination constantly.
I feel happy music lifts my mood when I feel tired.
Listening to melodies help me regain energy naturally.
I'm excited talking about hobbies with friends makes me excited.
Sharing experiences encourages me to try new things.
Do you feel proud completing a new hobby?
Yes, finishing projects always brings accomplishment and joy.
Oh, really? Hobbies can make us feel stronger.
Learning new skills helps me grow every day.
Painting colors makes me feel cheerful and creative.
Creative hobbies always give me calm and satisfaction.
Singing sometimes makes me feel playful and lively.
Practicing skills brings confidence and gentle happiness inside.
Have you ever felt excited learning something new?
Yes, discovering hobbies brings excitement and fun moments.
I feel inspired to explore new activities now.
Trying different hobbies helps me improve personal skills.
Walking in parks makes me feel peaceful today.
Nature always clears thoughts and brings inner calm.
Reading stories gives me ideas and curiosity constantly.
Books teach me knowledge and improve imagination naturally.
Listening to music sometimes makes me feel joyful.
Music creates calm feelings and soft relaxation inside.
Do you ever feel nervous trying new hobbies?
Sometimes yes, but starting slowly always helps confidence.
Learning slowly feels less stressful indeed.
Enjoying the process matters more than speed always.
I feel eager to practice painting more often.
That's great. Painting brings joy and creative energy.
Have you ever felt proud finishing a project?
Yes, completing artwork gives me strong satisfaction daily.
Walking outdoors makes me feel peaceful and refreshed.
Nature always clears thoughts and brings inner calm.
I feel cheerful singing while cooking sometimes.
Practicing skills makes me feel accomplished and confident.
Do hobbies ever make you feel surprised too?
Yes, discovering new talents always feels exciting inside.
I feel inspired when painting turns out beautiful.
Finishing a piece gives me pride and happiness.
Reading books makes me feel focused and relaxed.
Stories teach me knowledge and spark imagination naturally.
Exciting! Photography seems very fun and interesting indeed.
Capturing moments brings me joy and creativity always.
Do you like sharing hobbies with friends often?
Yes, discussing hobbies strengthens friendships and brings smiles.
Oh, really? Talking together feels enjoyable and lively.
Friends sharing activities make time feel more meaningful.
Hobbies make ordinary days feel exciting.
Simple hobbies bring calmness and inner satisfaction often.
Singing and dancing makes me feel joyful sometimes.
Learning new skills always gives energy and pride.
Have you tried outdoor hobbies recently, James?
Yes, walking and cycling help me stay active.
I feel motivated when I complete small projects.
Completing hobbies gives satisfaction and gentle confidence inside.
Do you feel peaceful reading in quiet afternoons?
Yes, quiet moments with books bring mental relaxation.
I feel cheerful listening to music again.
Soft melodies calm my mind and refresh energy.
Amazing! Painting landscapes is really fun and inspiring today.
Hobbies like this make me feel creative and alive.
Do you think hobbies improve mental health, James?
Absolutely. Hobbies reduce stress and bring emotional balance.
I feel proud when finishing a small artwork.
Completing any creative activity gives a sense of accomplishment.
Do you feel joyful when learning something new?
Yes, discovering hobbies always brings excitement and energy inside.
I'm amazed by photography makes me feel curious and inspired today.
Capturing details teaches patience and observation skills naturally.
Singing with friends makes me feel lively sometimes.
Practicing hobbies with others always gives a sense of connection.
Walking in the park helps me feel peaceful.
Nature clears my thoughts and refreshes my mind instantly.
I'm excited to try new creative hobbies.
Exploring new activities helps me grow mentally and emotionally.
Painting colors always makes me feel cheerful today.
Expressing creativity brings calmness and inner satisfaction naturally.
Completing tasks gives me a quiet sense of pride.
Achieving goals in hobbies makes me feel accomplished.
Reading stories expands my imagination and curiosity greatly.
Books teach knowledge and inspire ideas continuously every day.
Listening to music sometimes makes me feel excited.
Melodies calm thoughts and bring peaceful feelings inside.
Sharing hobbies with friends feels fun and lively.
Discussing interests strengthens friendships and brings positive energy.
I'm amazed when someone tries a new hobby.
Trying new skills encourages growth and gentle confidence inside.
Painting outdoors feels inspiring and refreshing sometimes.
Observing nature while painting makes me feel calm.
Completing a creative project gives me great happiness.
Finishing tasks brings inner satisfaction and confidence naturally.
Do you ever feel surprised by hobbies' results?
Discovering talents and skills always excites and inspires me.
Singing and dancing sometimes makes me feel playful.
Practicing hobbies brings joy and positive mental energy.
Do hobbies make you feel relaxed after work?
Yes, creative and physical activities reduce stress effectively.
I'm excited trying new activities this week.
Learning different hobbies makes daily life exciting again.
Amazed by photography, painting, or reading always gives me curiosity.
Hobbies expand the mind and stimulate imagination daily.
Listening to music gives me cheerful emotions instantly.
Melodies calm thoughts and bring peaceful feelings inside.
Do you ever feel nervous starting new hobbies?
Sometimes yes, but slowly practicing brings confidence always.
Ha! Small steps make learning less stressful indeed.
Enjoying hobbies is more important than finishing quickly.
I feel eager to paint more often this week.
That's great. Creative activities bring energy and happiness.
Have you ever felt proud completing a project?
Yes, finishing artwork gives me satisfaction and calm.
I feel peaceful and refreshed walking outdoors.
Nature clears my mind and lifts mood gently.
Singing sometimes makes me feel cheerful and lively.
Practicing hobbies brings confidence and gentle mental happiness.
Do hobbies ever surprise you with results sometimes?
Discovering new skills always excites and inspires me.
I feel motivated completing small creative projects daily.
Achieving goals gives satisfaction and boosts self-confidence naturally.
Reading stories expands my imagination and curiosity greatly.
Books teach knowledge and encourage creative thinking constantly.
Listening to music sometimes makes me feel joyful.
Melodies calm thoughts and bring peaceful feelings inside.
Thank you, James. I really enjoyed this conversation.
Thank you too, Anna. I feel happy talking.
And thank you, everyone, for watching. Goodbye.